Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best RC cars in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, I've picked 5 powerful, high-performance RC cars, from insane speed trucks and street bashers to serious rock crawlers. Whether you're a beginner or hardcore RC enthusiast, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. ARRMA 1.8 KRATON 4x4 6S BLX Brushless V6. The ARRMA KRATON 6S BLX V6 is an absolute beast and easily one of the most popular RC trucks in the world. This 1/8 scale speed truck features a brushless motor, 6S LiPo support, and a tough 4WD drivetrain designed for extreme bashing. It can hit 60 miles per hour with the right setup and handles jumps, rough terrain, and crashes like a tank. The V6 version comes with upgraded electronics, stronger components, and improved durability over previous models. Pros: extremely powerful 6S brushless system, excellent durability for heavy bashing, high-quality electronics and build, handles jumps and rough terrain very well. Cons: battery and charger not included, expensive for beginners, requires experience to control at full speed, best for advanced users and serious RC bashers. Number 2. WLtoys 144010 144001 Brushless RC Car. The WLtoys 144010E is one of the best budget-friendly high-speed RC cars you can buy in 2026. This compact 14th scale 4WD brushless RC car can reach speeds up to 75 kilometers per hour, which is insane for its price range. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for racing, drifting, or backyard fun. Despite being affordable, it includes metal parts, oil-filled shocks, and solid handling. Pros: very fast for the price, brushless motor with 4WD, compact and lightweight, great value for beginners. Cons: plastic parts wear faster, not ideal for extreme bashing. Stock battery could be better. Best for beginners and budget RC racers. Number 3. WLtoys 124017 124019 V2 Brushless RC Car. The WLtoys 124017 V2 is a larger and more powerful version compared to the 144010E. This 12th scale brushless 4WD RC car also reaches up to 75 kilometers per hour, but offers better stability, longer runtime, and stronger suspension. The upgraded V2 version improves durability and handling. It's great for off-road driving, drifting, and speed runs. Pros: high top speed, larger size gives better control, good suspension for off-road use, excellent performance for the price. Cons: steering could be more precise, stock tires wear quickly, not waterproof. Best for hobbyists who want speed without spending too much money. Number 4. ARRMA 1.7 Felony 6S BLX Street Bash Car. The ARRMA Felony 6S BLX is built for one thing: pure street domination. This 1/7 scale all-road muscle car features a brushless 6S power system and can reach 70 miles per hour. It comes with different tire compounds for front and rear, giving it incredible grip and drift control on pavement. The design is aggressive, realistic, and incredibly fast. Pros: extremely fast on-road performance, high-quality ARRMA build, excellent stability at high speeds, unique muscle car design. Cons: only for street use, battery and charger not included, not beginner-friendly. Best for speed lovers and on-road RC fans. Number 5. Axial SCX-10II Jeep Gladiator Rock Crawler. If speed isn't your thing and you prefer realism and control, the Axial SCX-10II Jeep Gladiator is one of the best rock crawlers available. This 10th scale RC rock crawler features portal axles, 4WD, realistic suspension, and incredible crawling capability. It's designed for rocks, trails, and technical terrain rather than speed. The detail on the Jeep Gladiator body is top-notch, making it perfect for scale RC enthusiasts. Pros: excellent rock crawling performance, high realism design, strong drivetrain and suspension, great upgrade potential. Cons: slow compared to bashers, battery and charger not included, expensive for casual users. Best for rock crawling and scale RC fans. Conclusion: so those are the top 5 best RC cars of 2026. If you want raw power and bashing, go for the ARRMA KRATON. For budget speed, the WLtoys are unbeatable. If you love street racing, the ARRMA Felony is a monster. And for off-road rock-crawling realism, the Axial SCX-10II is hard to beat. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which RC car you'd pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.